The DOSBox package is available in the Universe repository, which should already be enabled so DOSBox can be installed using the following command. Once done, start the DOSBox from the system menu, or you can use the terminal. The first run is essential as it will create a configuration file for us. Actually, there is nothing to do on the first launch as it creates the configuration file, so close the DOSBox by executing exit on the DOSBox terminal. You can access hundreds of popular games from the software library of the Internet Archive. Next, create a new directory named DOSBox inside your home directory and also make directories for the games you have downloaded. Now, extract the .zip file to the DOSBox directory that you've just created. Once you are done, start DOSBox. Next, mount the game to the virtual C drive. Now, switch to the virtual C drive. And finally, start the game by typing the file name of the game.